The US and the West in general have been trying to remove China from their EV manufacturing process. And while China has not openly said anything about this, the country has been making move after move that will make it difficult for the West to ignore them. Now CATL has just announced something that will surely change the EV industry, a battery that will give you 1,000,000 miles. Yes, 1,000,000 miles. So is this even possible, and how are they even able to achieve this? Join us as we discuss how CATL's new 1,000,000-mile battery just shocked the EV industry. The world's biggest EV battery maker, CATL, has managed to bring its research in battery longevity to the retail stage. They've transitioned their groundbreaking research on battery longevity from the realm of science fiction to the very real world. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. They just revealed an EV battery that has the stamina to last a remarkable 15 years, capable of powering your car for a staggering 1.5 million kilometers. That's not all, folks. This marvel of modern engineering boasts zero capacity loss in the first 1,000 charging cycles. The lucky front runners to experience this extended range battery are the folks over at Yutong, the undisputed leader in the electric bus market. These behemoths of the road face some serious challenges in their daily operations: scorching desert heat, bone-chilling mountain winters, and navigating steep inclines that would leave even the most seasoned gearhead winded. They're the perfect test subjects to push CATL's new technology to its limits and ensure it can handle the rigors of real-world use. Industry experts like Don Amy have revealed some fascinating insights into the capabilities of metropolitan buses. Did you know that on average these buses travel about 300 kilometers per shift? That's a lot of ground covered. And when you consider that the battery's 1.5 million kilometer warranty could support approximately 13 years of continuous operation, it really highlights its suitability for public transport. Imagine a battery that can keep a bus running smoothly for that long. It's pretty impressive. One of the most exciting things about this technology is that it promises zero degradation in the first 1,000 charge cycles. This means that a battery with a 500-kilometer range will maintain its capacity intact for the first 500,000 kilometers. That's a lot of reliable power, which is crucial for keeping public transportation running smoothly. But that's not all. CATL, the company behind this groundbreaking battery, has been making waves with their technological advances. They recently announced the startup of mass production of a condensed battery with an energy density of 500 watt-hours per kilogram. To put it into perspective, that's almost double what the batteries used in Tesla vehicles currently offer. It's incredible to see such rapid progress in battery technology. These high-energy density batteries with extended life cycles are especially beneficial for heavy vehicles such as buses and trucks. These vehicles travel many kilometers and require carrying large loads, so having a reliable and long-lasting power source is essential. It's great to see technology being developed specifically to meet the needs of these important modes of transportation. And there's even more good news. CATL has managed to significantly reduce production costs over the last 12 months. They announced a 50% reduction in the cost per kilowatt-hour of its lithium iron phosphate (LFP) cells by mid-2024. This decreasing cost has surprised even technology analysts and positioned CATL at the forefront of the industry. It's promising to make battery technology more accessible to a broader range of applications and users. Now, CATL is keeping the exact recipe for the battery chemistry under wraps for now. They're playing their cards close to their chest, and that's perfectly understandable. But based on their past strategies, it seems they've opted for a more meticulous approach of perfecting existing technologies rather than chasing down some far-off futuristic breakthrough. It might not sound as flashy as some sci-fi concept battery, but this grounded approach has a distinct advantage: speed. By focusing on refining what they know works, CATL can churn out new, reliable battery types at a much faster pace. This means their extensive list of customers, including the Big T Tesla, gets access to cutting-edge batteries without having to wait years for some theoretical concept to become a tangible reality. While the initial rollout might target heavy-duty vehicles like buses and trucks known for their longer operational lifespans, the technology eventually aims to trickle down to passenger cars as well. This extended warranty isn't just about longevity. IO and CATL are aiming high, targeting a remarkable 85% capacity retention after 15 years. This ambitious goal stands in stark contrast to the current industry standard of around 70% capacity remaining after the typical 8-year warranty offered by Tesla and other manufacturers. By achieving this ambitious target, CATL and NIO could significantly reduce battery replacement costs, making EVs even more economical and environmentally friendly in the long run. The costs associated with EV ownership are a major concern, making electric vehicles compete fiercely with gasoline-powered counterparts. On March 27th, NIO hit a major milestone by building their 1 millionth electric drive system, EDS, and unveiled the mass-produced version of their next-generation, super-powerful 900-volt EDS, dubbed Thunder. This marks a significant turning point for NIO and the entire EV landscape. NIO's focus on miniaturization extends beyond size reduction. The Thunder EDS boasts cutting-edge motor technology that delivers exceptional power density. The permanent magnet synchronous motor, PSM, powering the rear axle weighs a mere 79 kilograms, 30% lighter than most gym bags, yet packs a serious punch with an impressive power density of 4.3 kilowatts per kick. Power density refers to the amount of power a motor can generate relative to its size. A higher power density means a more efficient motor that can produce more power with a smaller footprint. NIO claims their asynchronous motor, ASM, powering the front axle boasts an equally impressive power density of 2.6 kilowatts per kick, touted as the world's highest among asynchronous electric motors. While independent verification is recommended, this achievement underscores NIO's commitment to pushing the boundaries of electric motor technology. Recently, CATL announced a super-fast charging LFP battery named Xinjing. This cutting-edge battery can provide an impressive 400 kilometers of driving range with just a 10-minute charge and can go over 700 kilometers on a single full charge. In the world of electric buses, CATL is a major player, supplying batteries to many original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, including big names like Solaris, Rampini, Yutong, Icarus, and Quantron. Their expertise has solidified their reputation as a go-to supplier for high-quality batteries. To further strengthen their presence in Europe, CATL makes strategic appointments. Marcus Baum as Chief Commercial Officer for Europe and Matthias Hauptner as CEO of CATL Europe in March 2023. These moves reflect CATL's commitment to expanding their footprint in the European market. The Xinjing battery incorporates state-of-the-art super-electronic network cathode technology and fully nanocrystallized LFP cathode material, creating a super-electronic network that makes it easier to extract lithium ions and allows for rapid response to charging signals. Additionally, CATL's latest second-generation fast ion ring technology modifies the properties of the graphite surface, increasing intercalation channels and shortening the intercalation distance for lithium ions, essentially creating an expressway for current conduction. But that's not all. CATL has big plans for Xinjing, gearing up to produce this innovative battery in Europe, specifically in Germany and Hungary. The Chinese giant is building a cutting-edge gigafactory in Debrecen, which will be the hub for producing the Xinjing battery among other products. What does this mean for the future of electric vehicles and sustainable transportation? It means CATL is at the forefront of innovation in battery technology, paving the way for more efficient and sustainable energy solutions for electric vehicles. With their commitment to expanding their presence in Europe and focus on developing cutting-edge technology, CATL is poised to make a significant impact on the EV industry. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments section.